If you're stuck under 1,000 views and you feel like YouTube is ignoring you, then this video is for you. Trust me, I've been in that exact same frustration. Just a few months ago, I was stuck at 2,000 subscribers, uploading consistently and nowhere near monetization. Everything changed for me when I discovered what I now call the content multiplier framework. Since then, I had multiple videos hitting 10,000 views, and the best part is I got monetized without changing my content niche or upload schedule. In this video, I'll reveal the 10 practical strategies that made this happen, and they will transform your channel too, no matter where you're starting from. Let's dive in. Number 1 is build your own GPTs. Okay, the first one is huge. I created for every part of the video creation process a custom GPT, meaning for titles, thumbnails, hooks, scripts, and it's saving me over 6 hours per video. That's not a joke. Let me show you my title GPT as an example. I trained it using the best performing titles in my niche, and I fed it a massive library of high converting title frameworks. I will ask for 4 title suggestions for a video that would be covering the Claude 4.0 update. What I immediately like about the results is how some of these words are capitalized, which is very typical for some of the title frameworks, and also how he comes up with the first suggestion for an idea for the thumbnail. This title, How Claude 4.0 Changed the Game, is definitely appealing to me, and I could even add 3 ways at the beginning of it to make it stronger. And now I just wanted to show you the settings that I'm using for this one. This is a prompt that I optimize over time, and you will be able to download it in the description below. This simple tool has completely transformed my consistency and quality. Number 2 is titles that make people click. The crazy part is titles can 10x your video performance. Here are 4 proven formulas that I like to use. The first one is an unexpected outcome in a familiar context that goes something like this. How this simple ChatGPT prompt gave me 30,000 views overnight. The second one is a surprising result and a surprising constraint. Think about something like how I got 3 clients from a video that got 400 views. The third one is a contradiction or you're busting a myth. An example would be 3 reasons why posting daily is actually slowing down your YouTube growth. And the fourth is secret or a confession, which would be something like, nobody talks about this YouTube strategy, but it works. These frameworks tend to perform really well. So once you actually train your custom GPT on them, you start producing titles that grab attention way faster. Number 3 is find trends early. Instead of always being late to the party, you can get ahead and use tools like Google Trends to catch high search volume early. Head over to Google Trends, and then I make sure that I have the correct country selected, which in my case is the US. Then I go to the Explore tab. If I want, I can even go more granular and pick YouTube here. And I will just go for the last 7 days and explore the search term AI tools. Here I can see that the search volume for Runway increased by over 300% in the last days, same as Google VO3 or Cinemagic. As a next step, I could even take a more granular look at this specific tool, and I can change the time frame. And this tells me that the interest over time has significantly increased, which means that this would be an interesting topic to cover. Now I can go back to ChatGPT, and I just want to find out more information about this particular topic, which is now Runway ML, and I will ask it to deep research it as well. I'll just give some general answers. When I take a look at the research report, that already gives me some great ideas what I can talk about, like the major leap in fidelity and consistency. And some of the core features that I can already think about are simulating real-world physics in a video. And then I could think about how that would potentially be relevant for an audience of business owners in my case. And I also get immediately some ideas for video titles, hooks, and thumbnails. This strategy helped rank my Gemini video early, as I posted it directly after the update and before many other people jumped on it. Number 4 is test thumbnails with AI. Before I publish anything, I upload my thumbnail variations to ChatGPT and I ask it for feedback. I'm going to upload my current thumbnail variations and ask it for more ideas on A/B tests and also generally for a rating when it comes to curiosity and visual clarity. Here's a suggestion to immediately add dollars into the command, which I personally hadn't thought of. When it comes to the visual clarity, he also suggested I just have one bubble, which could also be an interesting test to zoom in more on my face. And I also wouldn't have thought of adding the money emoji next to turn this into cash. That could even enhance it more visually. And then I can also get some mock-ups to get better ideas for testing. The faces that ChatGPT produces are always very funny, but still I can see how just maybe having one comment on the Notebook LM window might be more clear than having two. So that would be for sure an interesting test. ChatGPT will give you great input, but the actual results will probably surprise you. I tested 3 thumbnails for my Notebook LM video. Which one do you think performed best? ChatGPT predicted that the one with the 6 hacks would win, and personally, I thought so too. But the most natural one was a clear winner. A/B testing will make a huge difference on your channel. Whether you're just trying out words or faces, you shouldn't underestimate it. Number 5 is nail the first 20 seconds. You've got 20 seconds to earn the click that you already got. They will determine whether your viewer sticks around or bounces. I use this simple framework: pain, promise, proof. Here's how it breaks down. Start with the painful truth that creates struggle or tension. Something like if you're posting videos every week and you're still stuck under 500 views. Then you promise a transformation. Something like, in this video, I'm going to show you how I 10x'd my growth. And finally, you have to prove that you're worth listening to, which could be something like, it's the same system that helped me to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. And now I generate leads for my email list daily. That's generally a high retention intro. It creates tension, teases results, and builds credibility all under 20 seconds. Number 6 is turn one video into 5. Here's one of my favorite strategies. Multiply your content without having to create anything from scratch. You can upload a long-form video into Opus Clip, which then creates 4 to 5 shorts for you. Whenever you upload a video on Opus Clip, I would always recommend to use one which is clean without subtitles or animations, because otherwise the result might look very weird. I upload the video where I talk about how I hit 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. So here I have 16 clips already just with one click, and they're rated based on Opus Clip's system when it comes to the hook score. So let's check out the one with the highest. Number 3, master the 30-second hook. You've got 30 seconds to win or lose your viewer. And if I'm not happy with the length, I can obviously edit it myself. I can just change the length here. I can edit the captions or add B-roll. So this is a huge time saver. The real power comes from uploading these shorts on multiple different platforms and then linking back to the original video. Number 7 is create a lead magnet. This is how you turn casual viewers into subscribers and subscribers into buyers. So think about a free giveaway that's directly connected to your video. For example, if you're creating a video about Notion, just give away a practical template for Notion. If you're talking about marketing, maybe you can offer a conversion rate calculator. The key is making it valuable enough that people will trade their email for it. I created this ChatGPT prompt playbook, which is connected to my ChatGPT image generation video. And it brought in 371 emails just from this one video. Now, every time when I release a new video, I can mention it in my newsletter and drive more traffic back to it. Number 8 is bridge to the next video. YouTube's algorithm loves when viewers stick around and when they watch multiple videos in one session. That's huge for getting your content recommended. So it's great if you ask people to comment below the video, but instead you can also give them a suggestion to watch a closely related video. Something like, if you like this video, then you will love the video over here where I show you how I built a custom GPT that writes my social media posts for me. That's how you're creating a content journey. One video becomes 3 views and 3 views becomes a subscriber. Number 9 is use a 4-style content mix. Here's a framework that's perfect for building a business on YouTube. The 4-style content mix. And Ali Abdaal is a master at this. Every video you make should fit into one of these 4 categories. Number 1, search-based videos. These are your how-to and tutorial videos. Ali does this with the videos like how to study effectively or best productivity apps. People find them when they're searching for a solution. Number 2 is story-driven videos. This is where you share your personal journey. Ali talks about how he left medicine or how he got married, and this creates then an emotional connection. Number 3 are trend reactive videos. This is where you jump on what's hot right now. When new Apple products came out, Ali made reviews about them. When there's a productivity trend, he's on it, and that's how you can really get in front of a new audience. And number 4 are offer-aligned videos. Videos that naturally lead to your product or service. Ali creates videos about productivity, and that's also what his book is about. And the magic really happens when you balance all of these 4. You're not just chasing views, but you're building for discovery, connection, and conversion all at the same time. Number 10 is remix what's already working. Here's a hack that most creators completely ignore. Just remix what's already working for you. Go and take a look at your top 3 performing videos and ask yourself, is there a better hook that I can create? Or is there somehow a part 2 that I can make out of this? I'm telling you this because it worked for me. My video on 8 AI tools you won't believe for free got around 15,000 views, so I created another one which was about 9 mind-blowing AI tools, and this one also got 6,000 views. Think about it, you already know that this topic resonates with your audience, you have the proof, so why not even create a better version? So if you're someone who has a small YouTube channel or you're just starting out, if you're going to apply these 10 strategies, I can promise you they will give you a big leap forward. And if you want an unfair advantage, then be sure to grab my AI cheat sheet. It includes the custom GPT method for titles that I've optimized over time, plus my complete system for creating landing pages, lead magnets, and email sequences. It's free and it works. And if you're curious how I set up a funnel with an 80% conversion rate, then check out the video over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you there.